Okay, today's lesson is on the radical niao, which means bird. Niao is written here, and you write it by doing a stroke like this. That's two stroke, and then the three stroke, and the fourth stroke, and fifth stroke, and that's niao. And it means bird. If you look at the game in Hot Flash, you'll see 8 cards that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are 8 birds. And the symbol niao is in most of the words, but unfortunately, as with a lot of Chinese characters, not in all the words. But sometimes it is part of the word, such as in this frame. You can see it here. There is only one word, and it's niao, and it means bird, equals bird. When you see this radical, it's called a radical. Radical is a part of a word that gives you a clue or a hint as to what a word is. So the next frame in to the right, you see a parrot, and a parrot in Chinese is 鹦鹉, but unfortunately the Chinese is a complicated language, and it's very difficult to write. But with pinyin, you really don't need to write it. You type it, and it comes out in the computer. So there's 鹦鹉 and 鹉. It's written like this, and with the symbol of niao on the right, and 鹦鹉 is pronounced ying in the first tone, wu, wu, and this is what a parrot is. Now you go to the third card on the right, you see 啄木鸟. The only word, this is a woodpecker. Woodpecker, 啄木 means pecking the wood. Wood is mu, and niao is again the bird. So it's describing to you 啄 mu. Mu means wood. And then again, now you're familiar with it. Niao. 啄 pecking. Mu. 啄 is in the second tone, mu is the fourth tone, and niao is in the third tone. So 啄木鸟. But the only word that is hints at the word is not part of the word, but a separate word. It's the third word is 啄木鸟, so it's a woodpecker. Now the picture on the right here, extreme right here, that is a hummingbird, and it's called a 蜂鸟. And again, maybe I should write it here. 蜂鸟 and 蜂鸟. So that's a hummingbird, pronounced 蜂 in the first tone, 鸟 in the third tone. And then coming right along here, to the left on this side, the first row, you see a red bird, and that's a 红鹤. Hong means red, the color red, and he. And again, this is the well-known symbol by now, repeated over and over, the niao symbol. So when you see this symbol, you know that the character he has something to do with a bird. And hong means, in the second tone, he. Hong he, that's a flamingo, hong he. And he has the bird symbol in it. Next to it is a wu ya. Wu almost looks like the character of the bird, except that it does not have a little dot in the center. So this is wu without this dot in the center, like here. And ya, this symbol here on the left actually means teeth or tooth in your mouth. That's pronounced ya. That is that character for it. So this is an indication of the pronunciation. But on the right is now by now familiar symbol, which is our bird again, wu ya, and it's pronounced wu ya, both in the first tone, wu ya. Okay, the one to the right of wu ya in the second row, unfortunately, has no bird symbol in it at all, but it is obviously a bird, and it's called ma che. Ma che. There is no bird symbol in it whatsoever. This is typical of Chinese. Sometimes the rules are not absolute. Ma che. Ma che. And the last bird here, white and black, is a seagull, and it is a hai. O hai, with a 3-dot radical. When you see that, the 3 dots here, you know that it has something to do with water. Hai means ocean or sea. O again on the right, you have the familiar symbol for bird. Hai o. Hai is pronounced in the third tone, and o is in the first tone, o. So when you play the game and look at the characters, or look at any Chinese character for that matter, whenever you see this familiar niao sign, niao here, either by itself or as part of the character of a word, you know that this word has something to do with birds. Wow, I thought I was being so fast.